The single most expensive maintenance line item on a mega mining truck isn't the engine or transmission, it's the tires. With a full set of 6 running well over $200,000 on a Caterpillar 797F or Komatsu 930E. A single 63/70R57 tire for the Caterpillar 797F typically runs between $28,000 and $40,000 before mounting, delivery, and labor are added, pushing the total installed cost of one tire toward $30,000 to $46,000 once everything is factored in. Some fleet reports cite figures closer to $42,500 per tire, with each one weighing over 5 metric tons. Multiplying that across a full set of 6 tires means a single truck can carry between $200,000 and $240,000 in rubber alone. And that's before installation, wheel replacement, or delivery surcharges to remote mine sites are added. The price reflects engineering complexity rather than simple size. Each tire uses steel-reinforced radial construction designed to support over 100 tons of static load per axle position, while withstanding heat generated from constant flexing under a fully loaded 400-ton truck. Installation alone can take between 4 and 18 hours per tire, depending on crew size and site access, and specialized labor runs $75 to $180 per hour per technician, since standard automotive tire shops have no equipment capable of handling components this large. Regional delivery to remote mine sites can add another $1,000 to $3,000 per tire, and any required wheel or rim replacement tacks on another $1,000 to $3,000. Fuel consumption on these trucks depends heavily on load and terrain, but the numbers stay staggering regardless. Caterpillar's own performance handbook lists the 797F consuming between roughly 43 and 71 gallons per hour, depending on operating mode, while independent reporting puts peak consumption as high as 77 gallons per hour under full load. Over a 16 to 18-hour shift, a single truck can burn close to 1,400 gallons of diesel in one day, which is more than 3 times what the average American driver uses in an entire year. At current diesel prices, that translates to roughly $250 per hour just in fuel, or between $4,000 and $8,000 per day for one truck. Annualized across a full year of continuous operation, fuel costs alone can approach $700,000 per truck. The Komatsu 930E follows a similar pattern, with fuel tables showing consumption scaling from roughly 27 gallons per hour at lighter loads up to 65 gallons per hour under heavier operating conditions. While exact downtime cost figures vary by mine and commodity price, the underlying logic is consistent across the industry. A truck that isn't hauling 400 tons of ore is a truck that isn't generating revenue. And idle capital this expensive compounds quickly. Between the multi-million-dollar purchase price, financing costs, and lost production from a truck sitting broken rather than moving material, mining companies treat unplanned downtime as one of their most closely tracked operational metrics, which is why predictive maintenance systems and on-site parts inventories exist specifically to minimize how long any single truck sits idle. Pay varies significantly by country and mine type. In the United States, mining haul truck drivers average around $34 an hour, or roughly $71,000 annually, though top earners in specific high-demand regions can reach $97,000 to $101,000 a year. Some operators report base wages closer to $18 to $25 per hour, depending on the specific mine and role, with maintenance and welding positions often paying more than straight hauling work. Canada tends to pay somewhat higher wages, with haul truck operators earning between $24 and $50 per hour nationally, and provinces like Saskatchewan and British Columbia reporting medians above $40 an hour. Specific mine postings in British Columbia list base salaries between 97,000 and 118,000 Canadian dollars annually. Australia offers the highest pay among the three countries, largely due to FIFO, fly-in, fly-out, remote site premium. Average base pay sits around 108,000 Australian dollars annually, with total compensation frequently reaching $119,000 to $140,000 once bonuses and site allowances are included. Hourly rates for underground and open-cut operators commonly range from 55 to 95 Australian dollars per hour, depending on experience and site conditions, with some postings advertising annual totals above $127,000, including superannuation.